One was a hunchbacked old woman. He walked, hunched over with a stick and his head bobbed. The old woman had two dogs. One is called Ranga, and the other is called Banga. The old woman will go to her granddaughter's house. So she said to the two dogs, "You should stay at home. Don't move anywhere." Rangabanga said, "Well." Then the old woman stooped, hunched over with the stick, and her head bobbed. So he went away. Then a fox saw her and said, "Hey, that hunchbacked old woman is going. Old woman, I will eat you." The old woman said, "Rose, first I come from my granddaughter's house to be fat, then eat. If I play now, I will only eat bones and skin. Do I have anything else on me?" After hearing, the fox said, "Well, get fat, then I will eat now." The fox left. Then the old woman stooped again with the stick, her head bobbing. It went a little further. Then a tiger saw her and said, "Hey, that hunchbacked old woman is going. Old woman, I will eat you." The old woman said, "Ross, first I come from my granddaughter's house fat, then eat. If I play now, I will only eat bones and skin. Do I have anything else on me?" After hearing, the tiger said, "Well, get fat, then I will eat now." The tiger left. Then the old woman is hunched over with the stick again, and her head is bobbing. So he went a little further. Then a bear saw her and said, "Hey, that hunchbacked old woman is going. Old woman, I will eat you." The old woman said, "Ross, first I come from my granddaughter's house fat, then eat. If I play now, I will only eat bones and skin. Do I have anything else on me?" Hearing that, the bear said, "Well, get fat, then I'll eat now." Saying this, the bear went away. The old woman went a little further and reached her granddaughter's house. After eating curd and milk there, it is so total that, what can I say? And if he was a little fat, he would have burst. So he said to his granddaughter, "Oh gee, granddaughter, I am going home. I can't continue this time. I have to roll over. Bears, tigers and foxes are yawning on the way. He will catch me when he sees me. Now tell me what to do." Granddaughter said, "Are you afraid, Grandma? I will bury you inside the opening of this gourd. Then the tiger and the bear will not understand, nor will they be able to eat you." Saying that, he stuffed the old woman in the opening of a gourd, gave her food with a clove and tamarind, and pushed the gourd with a shout, and the gourd rolled like a cart. The gourd is walking, and the old woman is saying from inside it, "Good average average, good average average. Eat cloves and tamarinds. Bitchy felly tool tool." The old woman went far away. The bear is yawning in the middle of the road, asking to eat the old woman. If he doesn't see anything, he just sees a gourd rolling. If you shake the loot, you see neither an old woman nor food. And when he heard someone saying from inside him, "The old woman has gone far away," he thought, "The old woman has gone." Then he grunted and gave it a push, and it rolled like a car. The gourd is walking, and the old woman is saying from inside it, "Good average average, good average average. Eat cloves and tamarinds. Bitchy felly tool tool." The old woman went far away. Again, the tiger is sitting a little far away and wants to eat the old woman. If he can't see the old woman, he can see a gourd rolling. If you shake it, it is neither old nor food. And as if someone is saying from inside him, "The old woman has gone far away," he thought that the old woman had gone away. Then he grunted and gave it a shock, and it rolled like a car. The gourd is walking, and the old woman is saying from inside it, "Good average average. Good average average, eat cloves and tamarinds." Bitchy felly tall too. The old woman went far away. A little further away the fox is sitting in the middle of the road. He saw the gourd and said, "Ha! Lucina speaks again. I have to see what's inside it." Then he kicked the unfortunate and broke the lute and said, "Old woman, I'll eat you." The old woman said, "Eat. Otherwise what to do?" So, listen to two songs first. The fox said, "Yes, two songs are not bad. I can also sing a little." The old woman said, "But it is good. Let's go up to that hill and sing now." Then the old woman climbed up on the mound and shouted in tune, "Come, come, rangabanga, tu-you. The old woman's two dogs came running. One grabbed the fox's neck, and the other grabbed his waist. Pull what pull? The fox's neck is broken, loins are broken, tongue is out, life is out, yet they pull, pull empty. How did you like the story? If you like the story, like, comment and share.